Hi guys, it's Kat and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking onto this video. So today I am choosing healthier meal options. Today I'll be using grilled chicken breast, which I had this marinating for a few days. I hardly ever use my chicken without it marinating for at least a day. I have red onion, cucumber, tomatoes, cheese, and 3 different types of lettuce here. I do like this sweet kale and a dressing. I do like this kale pecan cranberry, and then this right here, which is mostly like romaine lettuce, and it has a few extra toppings in there. Mix the 3 of these together, it makes for a very good salad combination. This bread here is for chicken sandwiches. So some of us are having a grilled chicken salad, and then others are having a grilled chicken sandwich with maybe just a little side of a salad without the meat. All right, guys, so if you would like to see how this meal comes together, just keep watching. I'm gonna also go ahead and get started on cooking my chicken, which I'm gonna put into my air fryer. All of the chicken is going into here. And normally to make the chicken just a little more tender, even though I have marinated it and it should be good enough, still in my air fryer, I put just a drop, well, maybe 2-3 drops, not pour, splash, like of water, and that helps to further tenderize the chicken. All right, let's go. Okay guys, I'm sure you saw the timer. I had it set for 20 minutes, but this chicken is a little on the thick side, so I set the air fryer for 5 more minutes just to make sure the chicken was cooked throughout. Also, I have been letting this chicken sit, rest, so that once I cut it to put on top of the salad, it stays moist. Very good and moist. Very good. All right, guys, so this is the final result of the chicken salad. Looks so good.